Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself ARBINDYADAV. Today I am going to start a new series in related to Python course. Python is one of the programming language generally used by high-level interactive object-oriented scripting language. Python is signed by highly readable and English keyword in frequently used. And Python is a support of functional and structural programming method as well as a OOPS concept. It can use to scripting language or can be compiled the bytecode for building a large application. It supports automatic garbage collection. Python is a role of similar to path and how to interrupt program in the modulus file and import it into a program. This is a basic intro of Python program. Now we are moving to next slide. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. It is a design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation. Python is dynamic type garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structural programming oriented language and functional programming. This is a definition of Python programming. General high-level language, it's mean define the user easily to understand this language. And low-level language, it's mean those are compiler in understand by zero in one format. What are the local variable and global variable in Python? Global variable defined as variable declared outside a function or in a global space are called a global variable. These variable can access by any function in a program. These are called a global variable. Now we understand the second point, local variable. Local variable and any variable declared inside a function known as a local variable. This variable present in a local space, not in a global space. Generally दिस वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर आउटसाइड इन अ फंक्शन. जब फंक्शन के ऊपर से हम डिफाइन करते हैं दिस वेरिएबल कॉल्ड द ग्लोबल वेरिएबल, बट व्हेन इनसाइड इन फंक्शन called the local variable. This is a difference of local and global variable. Now come to the next slide. Explain some benefit of Python. Python is a dynamic type language. It means you don't need to mention in data type variable during the declaration. Python support object-oriented programming as you can define class along with the composition of inheritance. Function in Python like first class object, it suggests you can assign them and variable. Return from other method, it pass then the arguments. Function in Python like in first class object. It support you can assign variable and return developing using Python quick but running often slower and compiled language. Python has several uses like web-based application, test automation, data modeling, big data analysis, and much more. What is a lambda function in Python? Lambda function, a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any method of arguments but can use only one expression. Consider x is equal to lambda a semicolon a plus 10. Print x bracket 5 is equal to output 15. Lambda function is generally known as a this is addition using for addition purpose. Next point, next question. What is a negative index in Python? Negative number means that you can count the right instead of left. So list -1 refer to list element. List -2 its second, last, and so on. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet next video. So don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel.